Have you ever heard a sound in the forest and wondered what made it? One morning, Momo and DeeDee heard a very strange sound. It came from deep inside the forest. They looked at each other. "What was that?" asked DeeDee. Momo scratched his head. "I don't know," he said. The sound came again. "Awoo, awoo." It sounded sad. It sounded lonely. And it sounded like someone needed help. So Momo and DeeDee decided to find out what was making that sound. The sun was shining brightly over the forest. Birds were singing in the trees. Butterflies danced over colorful flowers. Momo was happily eating a banana. DeeDee was playing near a small stream. Everything was peaceful. Then they heard it. "Awoo!" The sound was soft this time, but it was still sad. DeeDee stopped playing. "Momo, did you hear that?" Momo nodded. "Yes, let's go see." The two friends followed the sound. They walked between tall trees. They stepped over roots. They passed bushes and flowers. The sound came again. "Awoo!" "It is coming from over there," said DeeDee. They hurried forward. Soon they reached a small clearing. There, under a bush, sat a tiny wolf cub. The little wolf looked scared. Its ears were down, its tail was low, and its eyes were full of tears. "Oh," said DeeDee softly, "a baby wolf." The wolf cub jumped when it saw them. It took a few steps back. "Don't be afraid," said Momo kindly. "We are your friends." The wolf cub looked at them carefully. Then it sniffed the air. "My name is Luna," said the cub. "Why are you crying?" asked DeeDee. Luna looked down. "I was walking with my family. Then I saw a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly flew away. I followed it. I followed it again and again." Her eyes filled with tears. "Then I could not find my family." "Oh no," said DeeDee. "You are lost." Luna nodded sadly. "I have been looking for them all morning." Momo smiled. "Don't worry. We will help you." "Really?" asked Luna. "Of course," said DeeDee. Luna's face became a little brighter. "Thank you." The three friends started walking through the forest. As they walked, Luna told them about her family. "My mother is very kind. My brothers always play games. My father is very strong." DeeDee smiled. "They sound wonderful." Suddenly, Momo stopped. "Look, there were paw prints on the ground. Maybe these belong to your family." Luna looked closely. "No, they are too small." The friends continued. After some time, they reached a river. The water moved quickly. Luna looked worried. "I can't jump that far." Momo thought for a moment. Then he saw a fallen tree. "I have an idea." Together, they carefully pushed the tree. It formed a bridge across the river. "Wow," said Luna. The little wolf carefully crossed. Then DeeDee crossed. Then Momo crossed. "We did it," shouted DeeDee. Everyone laughed. A little later, they heard rustling in the bushes. "Rustle! Rustle! Rustle!" Luna jumped behind Momo. "What was that?" she whispered. The bushes shook again. Then a rabbit popped out. The rabbit blinked. "Hello," he said. The friends laughed with relief. "We thought you were something scary," said DeeDee. The rabbit laughed. "I am only looking for carrots." Then he noticed Luna. "Why do you look sad?" Luna explained everything. The rabbit listened carefully. Then he pointed toward the hills. "This morning, I saw several wolves near the hills." Luna's eyes grew wide. "Really?" "Yes," said the rabbit. "Thank you," said Momo. The friends quickly headed toward the hills. The sun was beginning to move lower in the sky. Luna became worried again. "What if they are gone? What if they cannot find me?" DeeDee gently held her paw. "They are looking for you." "I know they are." Momo nodded. "Families never stop looking." Luna tried to smile, but she was still nervous. Then suddenly, a distant howl echoed through the forest. "Awoo!" Luna froze. Her ears stood up. Her eyes became huge. "I know that howl!" Another howl came. Then another. Luna's tail started wagging. "That's my family!" She began running. Momo and DeeDee followed behind. The howls grew louder. Closer, closer, closer. Then they reached the top of a hill. Below them stood a wolf pack. Several wolves were searching everywhere. One large wolf looked especially worried. "Mom!" shouted Luna. The large wolf turned. "Luna!" She ran forward as fast as she could. Luna ran too. A moment later, they met and hugged. The mother wolf licked Luna's face. "I was so worried." "I'm sorry," said Luna. "I followed a butterfly." The wolf mother laughed softly. Then she looked at Momo and DeeDee. "Did you help my daughter?" "Yes," said Momo. "We just wanted to help." The mother wolf smiled warmly. "Thank you. You brought my family back together." The other wolves gathered around. They thanked Momo and DeeDee too. Luna hugged her new friends. "I will never forget you." "And we will never forget you," said DeeDee. The sun was setting. The sky turned orange and pink. It was time to go home. Momo and DeeDee waved goodbye. Luna waved back. Then the wolf family disappeared into the forest together. As Momo and DeeDee walked home, they felt happy. They had helped someone in need, and they had made a new friend. Lesson of the story: when someone is lost, kindness and teamwork can help them find their way home.